If your door's drafty, it's probably not closing properly. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Hello, I'm Paul Haben from Window Fix Direct, and we can fix all your double glazing problems. If your door's not closing properly or you've got a draft, 9 times out of 10 it's because the door has actually dropped. Now at Window Fix Direct there's only one way that we would fix it. You can actually adjust the hinges, but that's only a temporary fix. The correct way of doing this is by repacking the glass, what we call toe and heeling. The way we do it, we toe and heel a door, and that is by removing these beads that hold the glass in. We put plastic packers in this corner on the hinge side, on the bottom corner, and plastic packers along the top here on the lock side. That lifts the door and squares it to the glass, bringing it all in line so your lock works correctly and you don't get any drafts. Your glass unit or your panel is the key to your front door. Basically, it holds all your opening part of the door square. So this is why we pack it, and the glass unit actually supports your door. If your door has dropped, when you lift the handle, it feels notchy. That means you're forcing your lock, and then it becomes an expensive repair by replacing your lock mechanism. It may seem an easy thing to do, but you can also break your glass unit very, very easily. So give us a call and we'll come round and carry the work out for you.